I am gonna wear this right now, so you can tell the difference of my speaking. It's in, and now the top. Hi everyone, it's me, iNovemberain, and welcome back into my channel. As you can see, I haven't posted any video lately because I am kinda lazy. So this is gonna be a short video, and I'm hoping that I can bring this into 10 minutes because, you know, 10 minutes video is the shortest video you can make on YouTube. Actually, no, I'm just joking. So anyway guys, as you can see on the title down below, I am gonna give you an update of my Smile Direct Cloth clear aligner journey. So this week I just entered my 5th month journey using this bad boy right here. So this is it, guys. Today is my 5th month, but actually I haven't finished the 5th month yet. I just entered the 5th month because in 1 month I have to wear 3 kinds of eyeliner. So today is my first week, let's say first week of my eyeliner, and that is 3-1. So if you guys notice that I don't wear it right now, and actually I can talk clearly and loud because every time I use this eyeliner, as you can see, I am having a lips. So it is like I feel like I am ngungu and mumbling too much, and sometimes I don't understand what I am saying, even me, no? So I don't understand what I'm talking, but when I remove this, I can talk clearly, and you know, just ignore my my accent because I am 100% Bisaya, and if my English doesn't meet your standard, you can just go ahead and watch Netflix. So anyway, so ang dami kong satsat, ano? So it's been 4 months. I just finished my 4 months, and this is the result. So that is the result. So if you guys don't know what is Smile Direct Cloth, Smile Direct Cloth is it's alternative of braces. So if you cannot afford the braces, you can get invisible or clear aligner here in the United States, because getting a braces here in the United States, it is freaking expensive. So if you live here already and you want to fix your teeth, you went to your orthodontist, you know how much the braces cost, and if you're wearing braces right now, you know how much the braces here in the United States. So this is not a joke, and if you are planning to migrate here in the United States from the Philippines or any part of the world, and you have a teeth problem, you might fix your problem first before you came here, because everything here is expensive. And if you have the money to spend the braces here, that's okay. But if you don't have the money to fix your teeth here, that's not okay. You have to fix it in your country. So that's the only advice I can give you, because this is my experience, and I already paid my price, because I already paid my price not listening to my dentist in Manila. So yeah, what else I could give you? Yeah, there is nothing much. But if you guys haven't seen the video that I made before, the first week journey of my invisible eyeliner. So I want you guys to check the iCards up here, and also if you want to check the description down below, you can get a discount in there. I did start like 4 months ago, and the journey is painful actually, so no pain no gain. So this is the eyeliner look like. So actually I got my name in here. As you can see right here, I got my name in here, and it's a hey Novem. Your 7-month smile journey starts now. We are so excited to help you on your way to getting a smile you love. Your state certified doctor and dental team will be with you every step of the way, overseeing your new smile. So you got your name in here. So everything here has barcode, so I just don't want to show this to you. Baka ma-scan yung barcode at malaman nyo kung ano, magkano binayad ko. Ayokong sabihin. So anyway, this is how it look like, and I got everything in here. And also with this one, no, I am just gonna show you the open let's see, the open plastic. So it's right here. This is the plastic, and you know, I've been saving this plastic for 4 months, and also all the eyeliners in here, I've been saving this for myself later after I finish this journey, because I wanna chop this. I wanna like ruin this, and yeah, you know, I'm done, so I'm gonna ruin this. I'm gonna burn this, something like that. So I've been saving this. So anyway guys, yeah, just an update, and it's not that bad, right? So I am gonna show you that I am gonna wear this right now, so you can tell the difference of my speaking. It's in, and now the top. So now it's in. See? Listen the difference of me talking right now. It's really different, you know? It's hard. So yeah, I think that's all for today guys, and thank you so much for being with me in this journey. And it is so bad. I mean, it's hard to talk. See, this is why. So I'm losing the S and the R already. So this is why I don't make a video, because yeah, it only takes what, 3 days for me to get over it, and then my speaking ability will turn back into normal after 3 days, and then yeah, that's it. So as you can see right now, you can't even see any space because of the eyeliner. And if I remove it, you can still see a space. And this is my 7-month supply, and I'm happy that I only got 3 months more left. So anyway, I think that's all for today guys, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for everything, and thank you so much for being with me in this journey. And I know I need to edit this video. First of all, I am trying my best to edit this video to upload, because it's been 5 months that I've been using this, so I need to start editing video. I need it. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. And if you want to connect me on social media, because you know there is life outside YouTube, so if you want to connect me outside YouTube, you can just go ahead, look, you can just look for my name. It's in the screen right here. And yeah, if you have a question, if you have more question, and if you have a lot of question, don't hesitate to comment or to look for me on my social media account, because I am there. So if I'm not in YouTube, I am in my social media account. So anyway, thank you so much. And once again, this is iNovemberain, ang nag-iiwan sa inyo ng isang kasabihang manatiling maganda sa kabila ng kahirapan. I thank you. Bye!